the wrist restraint. Remove system from storage container. Confirm all parts are on hand. Inspect serviceability of all components according to the inspection guide and take corrective actions as necessary. Have the subject face you with their arms in an L-shaped position, fingers extended and together. Place the web loops over the subject's hands, around the wrists with the buckle keyways facing upward. Pull the wrist restraint strap firmly to tighten the strap around the wrist. Keep in mind, under-tightening can allow the subject to escape, or over-tightening can cut off the circulation in the subject's hands and feet. Close and lock buckle, ensuring the webbing engages the web guide. Listen for the distinct locking sound. Secure the remaining webbing by doubling it back over the buckle and insert it into the large slot in the rubber bumper. Repeat these steps on the subject's other wrist.